Guys, welcome in this new video. I'm Nicola Stonazzi, publisher since 2019, CEO and founder of Facebook Ads, and since 2021 we are verified partner of Amazon Ads also. In this video I will share with you a little tip to understand when it's the best moment to launch your automatic campaigns. Because in the last video I told you that you have to wait 2 weeks to launch your automatic campaign, but 2 weeks are the minimum. There is something you have to look at to know if Amazon has understood the topic of your book really well. Why? Because we don't want that Amazon will target randomly keywords and ASIN, but we want that Amazon will target relevant keywords and relevant ASIN to avoid wasting our budget uselessly. Okay? Make sure to stay until the end because I will share with you a strategy to multiply the profitable keywords you will find inside your automatic campaigns to increase the sales of your ads and obviously of your book. And remember, if your goal is to increase the performance of your campaigns, is to achieve a positive ROI, or your goal is to scale your campaigns to increase the net profit you generate from your books, what you have to do? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. The future you will thank you. So let's jump into my laptop.
No, wait. I forgot to tell you that what I'm going to share with you is not my opinion.
Okay, it's a strategy we have decoded with thousands of tests and with $5 million spent in Amazon Ads from January 2023 to today. Okay, and these are some results we have achieved with automatic campaigns. Okay, here we are inside an Amazon Ads account. Let's create a new campaign. Okay, select sponsored products. Okay, here we are. So we select standard ad, we select our book we want to advertise, and here in the targeting section, when we are ready to launch our automatic campaign, obviously we select automatic targeting. But to know if it's the right time to launch it, we select the manual targeting. Here we select the keyword targeting and we scroll down until the keyword targeting section. Here it's where we have to look to understand if Amazon knows the topic of your book and we are ready to launch our automatic campaign. You have to ask to yourself, are these keywords relevant to my book? If yes, we are ready to launch our automatic campaign because Amazon has accumulated enough data to understand the topic of our book, and it knows the best audience who has to target. Okay? Instead, if these keywords are not relevant, we are not ready to launch our automatic campaign. So we have to wait either 2 or 3 days and then repeat the process and go over there and look at these keywords. But let's suppose that these keywords are relevant to our book. So what we have to do? We scroll up, we select automatic targeting, okay? here we insert our bid for automatic campaign. As I explained you in the last video, I share with you the complete initial bidding strategy, and I told you that you have to start your automatic campaign with 40 cents. So let's put 40 cents here for every targeting group, but I will give you another tip. As I told you, you have to put 40 cents, okay? Because usually the niches in which we published are very competitive, okay? So the 40 cent bid is less than what Amazon suggests us. But if here you see a lower bid, we can, only in this case, we can apply the suggest bid, okay? Because we want to spend as less as possible to generate our sale. Usually over here, you will find a higher bid than 40 cents. In this case, you have to put, okay, you must put 40 cents. But in the case you publish in niche with lower competition, you can select the lower suggest bid. Okay, so instead of 40 cents, here we put 13 cents, here 27, 13 and 13. Okay, so we save a lot of cents for every clicks. Great. Let's scroll down. Here, very important, guys. Select fixed bids. Okay, I will explain you why in the next few videos, but remember, always select fixed bids, or if you want dynamic bids down only, but not never, because there are cases we can select dynamic bids up and down, but never select it in the beginning, okay? Perfect. Here we leave 0% and here we put the name of our campaign and our budget. As you probably know, the budget is not really very important, okay? Because Amazon ads are not as Facebook ads. With Facebook ads, we pay for impression. With Amazon ads, we pay only if we have clicks. So the budget we insert is only to avoid our campaigns going out of budget. So for example, if we put $50 and Amazon has to spend, I don't know, $5, we will spend $5. Also, if we put $50, okay? Obviously, if Amazon has to spend $15 and we put $10, when the automatic campaign reach $10, the campaign will go out of budget, okay? And then we are ready to launch. So here we can select, we can put $10 or $20. It's the same, we can start with $10, it's okay. $20, it's okay also. And then we are ready to launch our automatic campaign. So when we have accumulated enough data, enough clicks and sales, we go inside our automatic campaign. Okay, let's suppose that this is an automatic campaign, which is not. We go inside the automatic campaign and when we go to the search terms section, okay? We order the keywords for orders and we take the keywords with at minimum 2 sales. So for example, here we select the 65 days time frame, okay, date range, and we take the keywords with more than 2 sales. So here we have 2 keywords, the hamburger cookbook keyword and the Bob's Burger cookbook. So, for example, we take our hamburger cookbook keyword with that has more than 2 sales, okay, and we insert this keyword in the broad campaign with the broad match type, okay, and in the super campaign with the phrase and the exact match type, okay? So in this way, with this strategy, we have inserted 3 keywords that most probably are profitable, okay? 1, 2, and 3 more keywords, okay? From one keyword, from one profitable keyword, we have generated other 3 keywords that most probably are profitable. Let's suppose that here we have an ASIN, because as you know, in the automatic campaign, Amazon target both keywords and ASIN. Okay, let's suppose that we have an ASIN. Same thing, okay? If the ASIN, if we found an ASIN with 2 or more sales, here it's 2 or equal, okay? 2 or more sales, we insert this ASIN in the product campaign, and if we have it in the super product campaign, okay? So here we generated 3 keywords and here 2 more ASIN that most probably are profitable. This is a very effective strategy, okay? It's not a complete strategy because the same thing we have to do with the other campaigns to each other, okay? But I will explain you this strategy better in the next few videos. So remember to subscribe to our channel, and in this way you won't miss anything, okay? Also, if you don't remember the difference between broad campaign, super campaign, product campaign, super product campaign, you can watch this video, okay, to get our complete strategy, or you can download our K-Ad strategy, the strategy we use to launch successful campaign. Guys, if you like this video, leave a like on the video because it will help us a lot to grow. Also, if you have any question, any comment about the strategy we saw together today, leave us a comment, the question, what you want in the comment section below. It's all for today. So guys, keep pushing and keep publishing. Bye.